Students, our next topic is applications of Gauss theorem. Our next topic is electric field intensity due to two thin infinite parallel sheets of charge. Electric field intensity due to two thin infinite parallel sheets of charge. Let A and B are two thin infinite parallel sheets of charge held parallel to each other. Suppose sigma 1 is the uniform surface density of charge on sheet A and sigma 2 is the uniform surface density of charge on sheet B. If E1 and E2 are electric field intensities at a point due to charge sheet A and B respectively, then E1 will be sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught and E2 will be sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. This arrangement shows three regions 1, 2 and 3. To calculate electric field intensity in three regions, we use superposition principle, according to which electric field intensity at a point is vector sum of electric field intensities due to two sheets. This arrangement shows three regions 1, 2 and 3. To calculate electric field intensity in three regions, we use superposition principle. As a matter of sign convention, we assume that electric field pointing from left to right, this is taken as positive, and electric field pointing from right to left, this is taken as negative. Let us suppose that sigma 1 and sigma 2 both are greater than 0. Sigma 1 is greater than sigma 2 and which is greater than 0. Therefore, in region 1, both fields are pointing from right to left. They will be negative. Therefore, E1 will be minus E1 minus E2. Minus E1 was sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught and E2 was sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught बाहर आ जाएगा. Sigma 1 plus sigma 2. In region 2, E1 is pointing from left to right and E2 is pointing from right to left. Therefore, in region 2, E2 will be E1 is positive and E2 is negative, as E1 is sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught and E2 is sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. 1 upon 2 epsilon naught बाहर आ गया, sigma 1 minus sigma 2. In region 3, electric field both are pointing toward right hand side, therefore this will be E1 plus E2. E1 is sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught and E2 is sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Now special cases. If sigma 1 is equal to plus sigma and sigma 2 is equal to minus sigma, this means if this was sigma 1, this was sigma 2. If sigma 1 is positive and sigma 2 is negative, minus sigma, sigma 1 is plus sigma and sigma 2 is minus sigma. This means if two thin infinite parallel sheet of charge, they are equal and oppositely charged, then electric field in three regions will be as E1 will be, as E1 was minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Therefore, this will be minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. अब सिग्मा 1 की जगह सिग्मा रखेंगे और सिग्मा 2 की जगह माइनस सिग्मा रखेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. ऐसे ही इन द रीजन 3, E3 इज दिस, सिग्मा 1 की जगह प्लस सिग्मा रखेंगे, सिग्मा 2 की जगह माइनस सिग्मा रखेंगे तो E3 इज 0. एंड E2 is this, E2 will be 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, sigma 1 is plus sigma minus sigma 2 is minus sigma, this will be 2 sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, 2 से 2 कट जाएगा, sigma upon epsilon naught. Therefore, this shows that a constant electric field is produced in the region between two parallel plates having equal and opposite charge, which is given by this, and in the region on the left of this electric field is 0, and in the region right of this electric field is 0, and in the region between this a uniform electric field sigma upon epsilon naught is produced. This is how constant electric field or uniform electric fields are produced in practice. ये हमारी एक्सप्रेशन अगले चैप्टर में भी काम आएगी कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बिटवीन टू uniformly charged plates having equal and opposite charge density sigma upon epsilon naught. This is important.